Hello everybody, we have an unboxing here. I believe I know what this is, but we're gonna open it up and see what's inside of it. Okay, I know what this is. Let's see. Hi Steven, here's the control board and some relays. I replaced 2 of them, then I noticed the burned out component. Okay. Let's see. I'll have to look up these relays to make sure they're the right ones. Those are the relays he sent. There is 1, 2, 3. You don't see many of these Tormach boards. This is a Tormach lathe board in for repair. Yeah, it looks like the ULN 2003 there at U5 is cooked. Let's see his work there. Give it a little close up here. Yeah, you don't see many of the Tormach boards anymore. They do come in every now and then, but give this a look at the top here. On focus. There it is. Nice visual inspection here. Can't remember off the top of my head. There's another part when the 24 volt line shorts right there that takes out the ULN 203. Takes out something else. I don't recall exactly what it takes out, but I will go through this and check it completely out. There's a little solid state relays. I believe those K5s there. At least Tormach, they provide schematics and everything, so makes it really nice. Check out the inside of the connector. So that's usually where you have issues. You'll see corrosion starting the connector and it cascades from there. But you'll see like a burnt pin or something. I would say this board is a good candidate for repair. I'll remove that and replace that and check the other part for the 24 volt line. And yeah, that one really went nuclear there. So I'll order the part because I'm out of those, and I will, because it's been like 2 years since I had one of these come in, and get it returned back to the customer. Catch y'all later.